Crocheters, we've had some questions lately about hooks. So I'm going to do another video and maybe answer some more questions, and after you've watched the video, if you have any questions, feel free to ask under and I will answer them as soon as possible. I am going to be doing a project in the round with my class, and I wanted my class to be able to have the ability to try different hooks. I have showcased the Knitter's Pride in my videos. I really like what they come with, but since we're going to be working in the round, they do not offer a double-ended set that I'm aware of yet. So what I have done is I went to the Denise knitdenise.com and I purchased a set for my students to try. Now they're going to try this set and the Knitter's Pride because I do have 2 sets of those. So let's get to it. I ordered this Denise in Delicue for crochet. It's a double-ended set and it has 2 hooks per size. It's got 12 hooks. It's got 6 cords, a 5-inch, a 9-inch, 12-inch, 14, 16, and 19, 4 end buttons, 2 extenders. I ordered the red case with the white cords. As you can see, they're available in a few different colors. The cords that come with this, they're a nice length, but if you're doing a Grafghan, they may be a bit short for you. It's preference. I know some people that do a whole Grafghan with a 9-inch cord on there. I do not like to cram that many on because it bothers my wrist. Anyway, this set that I ordered, this is the set that I ordered, and as you open it up, there's a zipper right here that you can put your darning needles in. This part opens, and these are your cables that come with it, your 4 stoppers, and the connector. You probably can't see it real good with the lighting in here, but that's the connectors. There's 2 of those. This is the double-ended set, so there's 2 of each size. Let me take this out of here. There's 2 of each size, and it comes with some nice pockets that you can put things in, and a pamphlet that talks about, you know, if you buy the pink, then money goes toward that for breast cancer, and the different products that they sell. This is the first time I've ordered from this company, and I got a tracking number. It came fairly quickly. I knew where it was during the process, so that made it really nice. I have quite small hands. I wear a size 5 wedding band, so these hooks, if you put them to the end of my fingertip, they don't even come down to the palm, you know, the bottom of the palm of my hand, which is another reason why I like the Knitter's Pride better. But again, it's personal preference. I want my students to be able to have the opportunity to try out and see what they like. I don't think it's fair to push a brand. Not everybody likes them. Just because I think they're great doesn't mean everybody else does. So, with this set, it comes with a tie, so you can tie it closed. This set, for this, I found on the site that I mentioned, and it was $68 for this set on the knitdenise.com. Also, I ordered the long cord set. They have a whole set, and I ordered them in red to match my case. And it comes with a 24-inch cord, a 30-inch cord, a 40-inch cord, and a 52-inch cord. Those were $22 for the 4 cords. I think the cords are like $6 or $7 a piece if I would have ordered them separately. So I thought it would be more economical to order them all at once. Since I think it was since my order was over $75, I got free shipping. And since I was first time ordering from there, they gave me they shoot you an email and you can get a code, which gave me $9 off my order, which was great. So in the end, $81 and no shipping. Like I said, I think these are going to be nice for working in around, to give people an opportunity to feel the difference in the Knitter's Pride. And these ones offer some larger hooks. I have some larger Knitter Pride that I've ordered, but I also have, I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but they're wooden. I ordered them from California, and I have like a P and a Q in those. I want to say Chia Goo, or I can't remember. I do have those, and those have held up nicely. I made a sweater in Bernat blanket yarn in those. Like I said, the set comes with a lot of options. These were separate from the set. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask under the video, and I will get back to you. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.